I have my vinyl lettering put down. I mixed up some epoxy with about a tablespoon of glitter, and I'm going to paint it on and just get an accent coverage. I let the epoxy sit for about 20 minutes, so it would harden up a little bit first. I'm going to go real thin because I don't want it to drip down the sides as it dries. But the glitter changes the texture a lot so that it becomes less viscous. I have the top taped off so that I don't get any epoxy on the threads. With epoxy, you're going to want to work in small batches because it does have a short pot life, depending on the weather, but about an hour. In really hot weather, sometimes less.